Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, Cloudflare is great for speed, security, and even DNS management. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to properly connect Shopify to Cloudflare in 2026 without even breaking your store. So let's get started. As for number one step, make sure you open your device are fully connected to the internet. Everything is looking good so far. Go all the way and log into Cloudflare by opening your Cloudflare dashboard. Okay, so basically we're just gonna go ahead and open it here. Make sure you log in and select your domain. Now go to your DNS settings. You're gonna go back to get the Shopify IP address. So we're gonna go all the way here to settings. Okay, let's go to domain section. Here it goes. As you see here, we have our current domains. You can also buy new domain from here by tapping on buy new domain. You can also connect an existing one by tapping on connect existing one. Paste your domain, go on to next so we can update the A record. Point the route of basically the domain to Shopify IP address, then edit the CNAME record. Disable any proxy such as Orange Cloud. Make sure both records are set to DNS only, not proxied. Then make sure to save all of them changes. Allow time for DNS to propagate basically. Then verify your domain in Shopify. All you're gonna do is come back to this Shopify, go to settings, domains, and make sure your domain is looking good so far. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.